Hi, ako nga pala si Romel, no? Mary. And today, magtatattoo tayo. And magpa-practice tayo magtato using our stencil na ginawa ng makalang araw. I'm gonna treat this as a real thing, no? I'm gonna practice some sanitation and everything. So first, kailangan natin sanitize ang ating kamay. So next is this, no? So I don't have like a dental dip, so I'm gonna use this instead. Just like an extra protection or something. No? It's okay. Just gonna use that instead. Okay, so we're gonna use some gloves. So we're gonna use this Dragon Hawk. I forgot the version, but okay. Gonna put it here, somewhere here. Here, one Luffy and Berserk. Gonna use some of this, no, to put it right here and no. So we're gonna use this. We're washing the cartridge. We need distilled water. So, ngayon is gagamit tayo nito and iset natin siya ng 4.2 na stroking. And for line art, we're gonna use 1203 round liner. Okay. So let's say nandito na. Dapat meron akong sabon, no? And we're just gonna put something here to clean that skin, and then we're gonna apply the stencil. Tapos papatuyin natin yung stencil. We're gonna dry it out like for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So hanggang sa maging ganito na siya, no? Once na maging ganyan yung stencil natin, okay, I'm gonna put some ceiling jelly here in our stencil para hindi siya masira. We're gonna use the 3 round liner. This is 1205 round line. No, 1203 round liner, and we're gonna set it to 5 voltage. 5 voltage, and then 4.2 stroking, and then the millimeter of the needle should pop out around like 4 millimeter. This is 4.2, I don't know, stroking, something like that. So let's start now. So one moment. So we have here our this right here. I'm not sure if you can see this, but I'm going to do my best. Let's start, bro. This bed. So this now. Sure about this. Nothing about this. Well, not bad. No. We have some bad line art here and some line na hindi solid, and I actually forgot the face, pero it's not bad. I just don't know how to deal with this with this, no? Next natin itong mga to. Okay. You forget the face, no? Itong face right here. Should be like that, no? The face should be like that, but I forgot about this. So,
sunny morning, the city's alive. You walk by, catch my eye. Your smile's bright, like starlight in the night. I'm hypnotized, can't put up a fight. We sit down at our favorite place, order coffee, face to face. Steam's rising as our hearts start blazing. In the space, a new story staging. Words are flowing like the coffee's pour. Our souls are growing closer than before. I feel the magic, can't ask for more. Love is like a cappuccino, rich and sweet, just like you. Foam on top, our dreams won't stop, and this love will never dry. Like a cappuccino, warm and cozy, just like you do. Sip by sip, our love will rip through.
now for shaders, no? I'm gonna use this.
Rainy evening, streets are wet. You hold me, I forget all the worries. In your arms it buries. Our love's a lullaby it carries. We talk about our future plans. Travel far across the lands with each other as our only shelter. In every step, our love will welter. Moments passing like the seasons do. Our bond is lasting, it's brand new. I feel the passion, it's breaking through. Love is like a cappuccino, rich and sweet, just like you. Foam on top, our dreams won't stop, and this love will never dry. Just like a cappuccino, warm and cozy, just like you do. Sip by sip, our love will rip through the world, just me and you. Days may come, days may go, but our love, it will always glow. In every sight, in every sound, our love will always, always be found. Love is like a cappuccino, rich and sweet, just like you. Foam on top, our dreams won't stop, and this love will never dry. Just like a cappuccino, warm and cozy, just like you do. Sip by sip, our love will rip through the world, just me and you. Love is like a cappuccino. Our story's just beginning, let it grow.